parasympathetic innervation. Now, parasympathetic എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് it is through the 10th cranial nerve. Okay, that is the vagus nerve ആണ് 10th cranial nerve എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ vagus nerve എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് അത് ഒറിജിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന is from the medulla oblongata. So the preganglionic fiber that is arising from originating from the medulla oblongata, it travels and ends at the post-ganglionic parasympathetic fiber at the ganglion. From the ganglion, the post-ganglionic parasympathetic fibers arise and it innervates the junctional tissues and the muscles of the atria. So that means atria matram നേരത്തെ sympathetic ആയിരുന്നപ്പം junctional tissues both the atria and the ventricular muscles in a sympathetic innervation നടത്തുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. Parasympathetic വന്നപ്പം എന്തുവാ it only innervates the junctional tissues and the atrial muscles. There is no significant parasympathetic innervation on the ventricular muscles. Now, ഇതിൻ്റെ actions എന്തൊക്കെയാണ്? It is all is inhibitory action. Sympathetic excitatory actions ആയിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇതെല്ലാം അതിൻ്റെ നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇഫക്റ്റ് ആണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. ദറ്റ് ഇസ് ഇൻഹിബിറ്ററി ആക്ഷൻ ആണ് കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. Now, vagus nerve എന്തൊക്കെ ആക്ഷൻസ് ആണ് കാണിക്കുന്നതെന്ന് parasympathetic nerve. Vagus nerve shows a continuous inhibitory action on the heart rate. മറ്റേത് stimulatory effect ആയിരുന്നു. It was increasing the heart rate. This is continuously giving a negative effect on the heart rate to keep it in a low rate. This continuous inhibitory action of the vagus nerve to keep the heart rate to a low is called as the vagal tone. When the vagus nerve, the 10th cranial nerve, is continuously being acting, it is called as the vagal tone, a sustained vagal tone. The second action of the parasympathetic nervous system is to decrease the heart rate. Keeping it in a low rate is the vagal tone, and decreasing the heart rate, there is a negative chronotropic effect, is another action. And third action is the speed and contraction is being decreased of the atria alone, not on the ventricle, because it doesn't have an innervation on the ventricles, on the atrial muscles, which is giving a negative inotropic effect. That is, speed and force of contraction of the muscle is being decreased, and the conduction of impulses is also decreased, which is a negative tromotropic effect, and the excitability of the cardiac muscle is also decreased. That is a negative bathmotropic effect. The threshold is actually increasing. Decreasing the excitability of the cardiac muscle is actually decreasing. Increasing the threshold. ഇവിടെ ഞാൻ decrease എന്ന് എഴുതിയിരിക്കുന്നത്, this is wrong. It is increasing. So this is the parasympathetic effect.